Everybody, my name is Maddox.
My name's Chase.
And we are the Davis Duo, and today we will just do some exploring and adventuring on our great kind four-wheeler. And why we are doing this is because our dirt bikes are messed up. So we're just going to do some adventuring, and for our birthday we got
New gear.
new stuff.
Shirt and pants.
And then we got goggles. Oh yeah, I fell face first, and now it looks like a motorcycle helmet because the visor fell off. So we will just go down there. Here, hold up. Go down there and show them the part of the track. Okay, so right now we will just ride down here and show you guys some stuff. I mean, you can look around. It's open right there. I think we might make a track right there.
Yeah, we might be riding around over there.
Whoa,
See right there.
Shit, do you see those?
Whoa, what the heck are those?
Do you think they're dirt bikes?
Yeah, I think they are. Let's go check it out.
Go check it out.
Yo, check
Oh
it
my
out.
god!
What the heck?
He's off. Go.
No way. Dude, look at this. Bro,
Check it out. Check it out.
I want the Yamaha. I want the Yamaha right there.
Let's see if these switch.
All right, kick it, Maddox.
Gas on? No.
No.
Who do you think these belong to anyway?
Yo,
Oh my
first
God.
kick.
Go now.
First kick, bro. Yo, that's amazing, bro. Nice.
This is so much fun. Do you think we should take them?
Yeah, let's take them.
Where do you think people are?
I don't know. Probably using the restroom somewhere out here.
Let's go.
Let's go. I want that one right there, Maddox.
Chase, do you think that they didn't want these bikes anymore? Because, like, the seats ripped up. I mean, this is a little bit faded. The graphics are alright. The seats messed up. I mean, do you think that they didn't want them anymore?
I don't think so, because they just left them sitting out here.
Like, I mean, look at this. This is like fresh mud. Like, this is like from 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
I think we better hurry up and get home before
Yeah, we should.
everything happens. Alright.
Alright, so guys, actually, like, last weekend, the day before, or a couple days before our birthday, we went out down to Swansea and we got these two.
From the big old country boys.
Oh yeah.
We fixed them up a lot. We bought them used. I was missing that. The clutches and front the clutches and front brakes were messed up. They just look so bad. We fixed them up and everything, but I mean they look pretty good now.
They're nice, they're fast.
Yeah, they're really fast. They can
5-speed transmission.
Yeah, 5 gears. So we're just gonna show y'all like us riding around here. Maybe riding back there. You know? Let's get with it.
Okay, it's not pausing.
Oh yeah, it is pausing. Yeah. Alright. So he's gonna come around here. It's really muddy right there. Okay. Sorry for the trees in the way.
Alright guys, so I'm going to give you some background history on these. They're both 4-strokes. So Maddox's is a 2004 KLX 125. And then my dirt bike over there is a Yamaha TTR 125. Uh-oh. Well, yeah, he's having some difficulties with when he gives it gas. It's not getting any reaction. So let's see if we can get some mud thrown up in here. Oh yeah! Oh shoot! We just had a little crash. He's all right though. He'll get back into this real quick. All right, here we go. See if we can get some mud thrown up over here. Oh yeah, that's nice. Nice. All right. don't know if I've mentioned, but these are 5-speed transmission, so that means they have 5 gears. Let's see if we can get one. Nice. Alright, so now we're going to get us a couple vids down here, riding at the track. I think he's oh, he fell over. Hold up. Alright, here we are. These things are really loud, especially for people. Oh, look at that speck right there. He's got a tree, so he's got a tree limb stuck to him.
Now today's gonna go. I'm just out here eating my Skittles. Best candy ever made. They won't ever see me. I'm squatting behind it. Oh gosh, here he comes, here he comes. He won't see me. He drove right past, he didn't see me. Oh, best to get the angle. No, chase! Hey, we're better now, yeah. Oh my gosh, he got me so dirty. You don't understand how much mud there is here. Like, oh yeah, I stepped in muddy water, and so did I do on that shoe. My bike, Skittles and bag and helmet, motorcycle helmet. Is he on the ground again? Oh my gosh, he is on the ground again. All right, there he is. What should I do? I am a ninja. Whoa! Oh, oh! I just fell off the tree. Okay, no. Gotta get the angle. He just threw mud all over me. That will be the end of this vlog today. Hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, like and subscribe. The social media will be down in the description. Today is February 10th, and hope you guys have a great day. Pop chain. Oh. All right. Peace.